What's up guys, Chase here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Windows 10 screen brightness control not working. So if you're on a laptop, you will have the function of increasing or decreasing your screen's brightness. But if for some reason you are limited in this capacity, there are a couple of workarounds that we're going to get into right now. The first one being, let's go ahead and click on our settings in our search bar and type in brightness. And we could just go ahead and select this here. So making sure your night light is off, we will be able to adjust the dimness of the monitor brightness on this slider here. However, if this doesn't work, we have to try something else. Let's exit out of here. The next thing we're going to try is to make sure that our power saving and battery settings are not limiting our screen's brightness. So in the bottom right here, let's go ahead and select our battery. And our system is already on best performance. However, if you are in power saving mode, you may not be able to change your screen's brightness to its maximum. To just make sure of all this, let's go ahead and slide it up to best performance. It should be like this when it's plugged in, but you never know. Let's select battery settings. And here we have the automatic battery saver, which goes on at 20%, and you can select this to be whichever number you want. And that is how you fix Windows 10 screen brightness control not working.